Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the tariff news yesterday definitely caused a lot of volatility on the yen pairs. Really, it caused volatility on everything, but the yen and the dollar especially. Big old giant push down. I definitely don't think it changed my analysis any, though. I still think this is an A. I still think this is a B. I still think it's a C. The fact that it hasn't been able to go down and break any lows and it's turning at the 100% makes me think that it is going to keep on going up. I am very, very bullish on the very high time frames, like the daily. I still think this is going to end up going up to at least a 78% and maybe even a little bit higher to finish off what I think is a wave C of wave B. So if that is true, which I do think it is, then we definitely need to be looking for longs on shorter time frames at the end of three-way pullbacks. To me, this looks like it already completed a three-way pullback, so I would definitely recommend looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks you see for hopefully the continuation of this uptrend for wave C of wave B. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.